everyone, my name is Julian Pansin and I am the supporter for. Now, to answer this question, we gonna read first question. Number 1, why the end partial sum given in the following values? Letter A is sum 1 is equals to R equals to N equals to 7. The formula I use is sub n equals to a sub 1 times 1 minus r to the power of n and divided by 1 minus r. Now, taking the given, plug it in the formula and we get this. So, s sub 7 is equals to negative 4 times 1 minus negative 3 to the power of 7 divided by 1 minus negative 3. Now, we must, to get the next step, we must simplify the next terms. So, negative 4 times negative 2188. Since negative 2188 is 1 minus negative 3 to the power of 7. Now, to get the 4, we must 1 minus negative 3 is 4, positive 4. Next, cancel these numbers to get the answer. So, the answer would be negative 2188. Next question. Next value. B, letter B is someone equals to 2 weeks. And R is equals to negative 1 over 3. And Rn was 9. So, formula, plug in the values. And as usual, we simplify it. 1 minus negative 1/3 the power of 9 is 90,684 over 90,683 divided by 4/3. To get 4/3, you must simplify it and divide it. So, 19,684 divided by 4 would be 4,931. And 18,683 divided by 3 would be 6,561. So now, we must multiply it by, we must multiply this. This. So 2 times 2,921 would be 8,892, and 5 times 6,561 would be 32,305. So we must simplify it to get the number. So the decimal number would be 0.30. Next question. Number 2. Julia is planning to save money for an overseas trip. For the next first month, she saved 10,000 pesos. The next month, plans to save 3% higher than the previous month. If her goal is to save 100,000 pesos, in how many months should she save? So, this is my solution for the second question. The given is R is equals to 1.03 and R sub 1 is 10,000 and RS sub n is 20,000. Formula and plug in the values. RS sub n is 100,000 is equals to 10,000 since B sub 1 is 10,000. So times or R would be 1.03 to the power of n minus 1. And divided by 1 since we just plug in the values. And so, we must simplify this, of course, to the next step. So, it will be 0.03 since we just remove this number because 1.03 minus 1 would be 0.03. Next is, to divide this, I must take 10,000 and divide it by this number. So we get 10. So 10 is equals to 1.03 to the power of n minus 1 times I divide by 0.03. Next is, to get this number, we must divide 10 by 0.03, this decimal. So we get 0.3 is equals to 1.03 to the power of n minus 1. Now, next step is, obtain this number, we must add 1 over this number to get 1.3. So 1.3 is equals to 1.03 to the power of n. Now, next step is kind of complicated. So, to bring down n and then isolate it is this. You must use logarithmetic. Logarithmetic is basically an inverse version of an exponent. So, bring it down and free from its shackles. We swap its places using ln. ln is basically logs in calculators. ln 1.3 divided by ln 1.03 would be 8.876. Since 8.876 is decimal, we must round it up to get the whole number. So the whole number would be 9. So the final answer would be 9 months. And that is all for my paper.